Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on pictographs, which is another name for pictographs. Pictographs or pictographs are a very convenient way of summarizing large amounts of data. While the data may not be represented with 100% accuracy, this method provides a good overall approximation which allows researchers to make informed judgments. The pictograph must have a clear heading and a key. This explains the exact meaning attached to each symbol. Example 1. The pictograph shows the number of pumpkins picked by 6 children in 1 hour. The children were visiting their uncle's farm in the country. So there's the heading, pumpkin picking, and there's the key. So each symbol represents 2 pumpkins, and this little symbol here, which is cut in half, represents 1 pumpkin. The first question, how many pumpkins did Rupert pick? Now you go up to Rupert. Remember that each of these represents 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, plus 1 is 13. So Rupert picked 13. Who picked the least number, and what was that number? So the least number, we go here, because that's the shortest. So it's 2, 4, 6, 7. So Aaron picked 7. Favourite summer holiday. So each of these icons represents 5 children. The above pictograph illustrates the favourite summer holiday activities of the students in grade 6. Notice that each small icon represents 5 children. Answer the given questions. Now we haven't written the answers down here, so it'll give you an opportunity to write them down. Firstly, remembering that each of one of these icons is 5 children, how many students were surveyed? Now see if you can work that out. I'll give you a couple of seconds before we carry on with it. Okay, let's count these icons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there are 22 icons. So 5 times 22 equals 110. So that's how many children were surveyed. What destination was not very popular? Have a look at the information and see if you can work that out. What destination was not very popular? Can you see here this destination has the least number of icons? It's only got 1. So the answer there is the beach house. So just to save time, I'll just do the letters. And that stands for beach house. What 2 activities had the same popularity? So have a look at the icons. What 2 activities had the same popularity? You can see that we have 3 icons here and we have 3 icons there. So the answer are, and we'll do the letters again to save time, the big city had the same popularity as river boating. RB. Okay? So the big city and river boating had the same popularity. How many students like the amusement park? Now that should be quite straightforward. Here's some important information. How many students like the amusement park? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if you know your 5 times tables, I'm sure you'll get the answer 45. Because 5 9s are 45. Average hourly wage. The above pictograph illustrates the average hourly wage for 5 different jobs last century. Use the picture to answer the questions. First question. What was the average hourly wage for a lawyer? What was the average hourly wage for a lawyer? So we go to lawyer. Remember, one bag is 10, half a bag is 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 5 is 55. Okay, $55. Which two jobs earn almost the same hourly rate? Which two jobs earn almost the same hourly rate? Okay, so which two rows are almost the same length? Can you see? The lawyer is almost the same length as the podiatrist. So they're pretty close, aren't they? Almost the same length. What is the sum of the hourly rates for the orthodontist and the podiatrist? So the orthodontist and the podiatrist, what do they earn in total? That's what the sum means. Okay, let's count the icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 bags. Each bag represents $10. So the total has to be $150. What is the difference in the hourly rate for the actuary and the cashier? The actuary and the cashier. Difference. Now you know what difference means. Think about what symbol you use for difference. Actuary and cashier. Okay, here we go. Now the actuary, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So the actuary is 45. Take away, that's what difference is, take away, 10. And the answer is 35. So there's some good illustrations on how to use pictographs to solve problems.